Welcome to an introduction for Vault for Make for Autodesk PowerMill and FeatureCAM, looking at how Autodesk continue to enable a digital thread from design through to production. Too often we see customers whose manufacturing departments work in data silos with two main issues. Although CAD data is well controlled, the same is not true for CAM projects and NC files. Vault for Make allows revision control directly within PowerMill and FeatureCAM, ensuring that only known versions of toolpaths and NC are released to the shop floor. Using a standalone application, Vault for Make allows NC files to be delivered to machine controllers directly from Vault. This demonstration is in PowerMill, but the functionality is exactly the same for FeatureCAM. Once a designer has released the CAD for manufacture, the CAM programmer is able to use the plugin to import the CAD directly from Vault. The CAM programmer uses the plugin to check the project into Vault, which automatically creates the traceability links from CAD to the CAM project and from the CAM project to the NC files. Traceability is also created to the option file used during post-processing. The plugin enables customers to drastically reduce wasted time from working on out-of-date CAD revisions by automatically notifying the programmer about updates to that CAD. The plugin replaces the old CAD with the new revision, and toolpaths can easily be recalculated and NC posted. Vault for Make completes the digital thread all the way to the machine tool. A standalone shop floor application allows the machine operator to deliver the released NC file from within Vault directly to the machine controller. The operator is notified if they're running out-of-date NC files by comparing the Vault status with the files on the controller. If the operator makes modifications to NC files on the machine or the PC, the shop floor application allows you to synchronize back to Vault so these important changes are properly configured and controlled. Vault for Make is delivered to customers via Autodesk Consulting. Please contact your local representative or partner for more information. Thank you.